Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 Lariat. Coming in this nice antimatter blue coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the black appearance package, mobile office package, bed utility package, and the tow and haul package. Taking a look at the back here, we do get a rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera. We do get a nice Pro Access tailgate, which is pretty handy to get your stuff you put in your bed with a nice bed liner. We do get hooks and doodads, lights to see your gear. Got a little outlet down there as well. Some measurements on your tailgate as well, which is pretty handy. And it is powered, so it will go down and up automatically. Let's just say you're holding a lot of gear in your hands and you want to lift up your gate. All you have to do, knee it up and it will go up automatically. We do get mud flaps on the rear, an extended black gripped running board, which is pretty handy. We do get mud flaps on the front, side view camera, blind spot, turn light indicated, and spotlights. And moving to the front here, we got this nice black hood deflector, recovery hooks, license plate bracket, block heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, plenty of door space, floor mats with the carpet interior, flat fold storage system, cup holders, little storage, rear vents with 2 heated back seats, 2 USB-Cs, 120 volt, and of course you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space, and you do get a nice split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, B&O sound system, power door mirrors, memory seating for up to 3 drivers. We have our auto stop assert, lights, spotlights, parking brake, and pedal adjusters all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 112 kilometers. We do get a heated leather wrap steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we have My View, trip and feel, your heads-up display, which you can sort of kind of see it on the van ahead of me, just limits your distractions so you can keep your eyes on the road. We have our gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we have our gear select, has speeds, it is collapsible storage, cup holders, wireless charger pad with some outlets, and it does close. Leather wrap center console that does turn into an interior work surface. You can put your laptop here, your food, totally up to you. You do get your storage under here as well. Rear locking diff with your drive modes, 4-wheel drive, trailer brake, Pro Trailer Assist. You do get your heated front seats and cooled front seats, dual climate, 12 volt and 120. Storage above and below. Storage right here. A nice powered rear window opener, which is pretty handy. As well as our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. And looking here, we do get a nice 360 view of the vehicle, which you can go for different camera angles, hazards, and traction. We do get Ford's Blue Cruise, which is Ford's highway self-driving, park assist as well, just your park sensing. And for your audio, you do get your AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. You got your phone controls, navigation, Fave apps such as messaging, email, zone lighting, apps in general, or any apps you've downloaded will be right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FA97987, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.